Hey guys, Mac and Stereo back, and today I'm going to show you how to set a static IP in Windows 7. The process should be fairly similar for Windows XP 8 and 10. If you're using 8 and 10, I would recommend using the classic view of network settings, as personally I think it's much easier to configure. So in Windows 7, we're just going to right click down here and open Network and Sharing Settings. We're going to go into Change Adapter Settings, and we're going to right click on our real adapter. So this is a desktop machine, so I have it plugged in with an Ethernet cable, and these two connections here are virtual connections. So this is the one that I want to set the static IP on. If you have a Wi-Fi card, it will be a wireless module, and so on and so forth. So we're just going to right click this, and we're going to go into Properties, and I'm going to use IPv4 because my router doesn't support IPv6. But if you have IPv6, it's the same process. Just go into it, click Properties, and you'll see here it says obtain an IP address automatically and obtain a DNS server automatically. We're going to give it a manual IP address, and when we do that with Windows, we have to give it a DNS server as well. So the IP address I want for this system, you want to keep an IP address that lies outside your DHCP range. If you don't know what that is, usually just set your IP address to a really high number and you probably won't run into issues. So my network is 192.168.1 and then the IP address that you want for it. So I'm going to pick I'll pick 100 for this tutorial. The subnet mask should fill in itself. It's a Class C network, so it should be 255.255.255.0. And the default gateway depends on your network. Some systems are 10.0.0.1, 192.168.1.1. My network is 192.168.1.254. And then the DNS server, this will also depend. You can usually get this info from your router's login page. Mine is an Aircom router, so my DNS server is going to be 159.134.0.1 and 159.134.0.2, and there are my two DNS servers. If you can fill in one, usually most routers have two, so if you want to do it this way, you can. So we're not going to validate the settings. We're just going to click OK. We're going to close that. Now I just like to disable it and re-enable it just to make sure that it's used the new settings. You shouldn't have to, but just to be sure. So you can see there now it's reconnected to the network again. Now my computer here is a bit stupid, detects an unidentified network, so it says there it's not connected. But if we go into a web browser, so I have Chrome here, if I just go on to Google.com, you can see we're connected to the internet, and if I open command prompt and type in ipconfig and scroll up to my local area connection, you can see my IP address is 192.168.1.100. And that's the end of this tutorial, guys. There wasn't much in it, but yeah, if you have any comments or queries, drop them below. If you want to see any particular video, if there's something you're having a problem with, drop it below and I'll see if I can help. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching, and goodbye.